Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can turn off read receipts on Instagram. Basically, let's say your Instagram is closed and basically you get notification. So let's say some of my friend messages me on Instagram, then basically I can swipe right and I can see the notification and I can read their message from over here. So if I turn off the read receipt on Instagram, I'm not gonna receive the notification when somebody messages me. So basically, in order to see if somebody messages me or not, I need to go on Instagram myself to check it. So what this avoids is basically if somebody messages me, I can't read their message because I won't get any notification. All right, that's what this does. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, one step, for future videos like this. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, you go on your Instagram and click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen and click on the three line at the top of your screen. And over here you want to go on settings, and on settings you can see notifications. Over here, go on notifications, and over here you can see messages and calls. Click on messages and calls, and where it says message request, make sure to turn it off, and where it says message, make sure to put the option in off for messages. Once you do that, basically go back and you're good to go. Your message receipt has been turned off. So yeah, that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.